In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Meta Business Manager account when the Start Verification button seems to be missing. This can be a bit tricky, but don't worry, I'll guide you through a couple of alternative methods that can help you get your account verified smoothly. First, let's talk about why the Start Verification button might be missing. One common reason is that you may not have an eligible app associated with your business account yet, or perhaps a business level verification request hasn't been initiated. Without these prerequisites, the button might simply not appear. But don't worry, there are workarounds to address this. Our first method is about requesting an app review. You see, when you request an app review within Meta's platform, this process can trigger the verification workflow. Begin by accessing your Meta developer account and selecting the app that you want to request a review for. This app should ideally relate to the business entity you want to verify. Once in the app settings, navigate to the App Review section. Here, you'll find an option to request a review. It's essential to ensure that your app complies with Meta's guidelines and policies for a successful review and eventual verification. As the review unfolds, the verification process is likely to be initiated, thus solving the issue of the missing button. Now, let's explore the second method, verifying your domain. This can also facilitate the business verification process. Start by heading to your Meta Business Manager account. Navigate to Business Settings and then click on Brand Safety. Here you should see the Domains option. By clicking on it, you can begin adding your domain for verification. There are three methods to verify a domain: DNS verification, HTML file upload, and meta tag verification. Choose the method you're most comfortable with. For DNS verification, you'll need access to your domain's DNS settings, while an HTML file upload requires you to place a file on your web server, and meta tag verification involves adding a code snippet to your site's header section. Once you've completed one of these methods, go back to the Domain section in your Business Manager and click Verify. Both of these approaches should help activate the verification process if you find that the Start Verification button is absent. Remember, patience and precision in following these steps are crucial. Incorrect configurations can delay the process, so double-check all entries and ensure they comply with Meta's requirements. I hope this guide has been helpful and clears up any confusion about the verification process on Meta Business Manager. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Good luck with your verification, and thanks for watching.